Hello and welcome everyone. I hope you're having a beautiful, beautiful day. Welcome to the third episode of our Basics of Trading series. So today we will be looking at an indicator. Now, what is an indicator? So an indicator can help you make decisions in the market. It can help you analyze the market, and you will find them right here at the top of your screen when you're in TradingView, and then you can just search for indicators. You have the built-in indicators. There are a plethora of indicators. There's no shortage on indicators basically. So what we will do today is we will focus on one of my favorite indicators, which is the EMA. So now within technical analysis, you will have two kinds of moving averages that are commonly used. Mosquito, I just grabbed it. Okay, so you'll have two moving averages that you can use. A simple moving average. A simple moving average will just calculate the last X amount of candles, the last X amount of candles. Let's say you have a 50 SMA, it will calculate the average of the last 50 candles. So let's say we have the 1 hour time frame right here. Then we have a 50 SMA. That will mean that we have an average of the last 50 candles, and that will be a line that just basically goes down on your chart, and it can also be a form of support and resistance. So when we take a look at our other indicator, which we'll analyze today, we will look at an EMA, and the name EMA comes from exponential moving average. So whilst we have a simple moving average that's just calculating the price movements of the last 50 candles, we can also have an EMA, which is calculating the average of let's say the last 50 candles, but has more emphasis on the recent price action. So basically, let's say at this point right here, you will have more emphasis on this last candle right here, and as we move further back in time, you'll have less emphasis on the price action that happened there. So that's why I like to use the EMA, because it factors in the more recent price actions with more emphasis. So what we can do is we can take a look at how we set up the EMA. So I'll delete it from my chart. We look for EMA in indicators and strategies on TradingView. I use this one, 20, 50, 100, 200 from Dr. Sweets. And then you'll see 4 different lines running through your chart. So for me, I like to use the 20 and the 50 EMA. Now you can use other EMAs as well. Just test them, see how they behave in the markets, and then you can build your strategy on them. So I will deselect the 200, as you see that's the last, and the 100, and then I'll give my 50 EMA a black color, and I'll give my 20 EMA a white color. So now we have the EMA lines, and you can see that in EMA line, especially when you move impulsively, the 20 EMA often will act as a support line. So we can see right here, you continue the trend, you see that we will have a support right here on the 20 EMA. We keep moving above that 20 EMA, and then it's basically another form of support and resistance. So then we also have the 50 EMA, which can also be respected as support or resistance, and I like to use these two on my charts. Now, in a future video, we can look at EMA crossovers and what those crossovers mean, but for now, I just want to leave you with the understanding of this indicator. Now, if you think that this is an educational video, if you've learned something today, I would really appreciate it if you just smack that like button and subscribe to this channel for more educational content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.